Give you a live look right now on Fort Myers Beach. The strong offshore winds have been pushing the water off the beaches for 2 days now.
NBC2's Rachel Whalen continues our team coverage tonight. She's live by Times Square on Fort Myers Beach. So Rachel, how's it going out there? What are you seeing?
I can tell you guys that it is windy out here. I mean, just look at these palm trees above Times Square. We've been getting these strong wind gusts all day. We're actually a little calmer right now, but there are times where these, trees go even stronger. And, there's still a lot of people out here enjoying the beach, even though it is a dreary, windy day. And we've been talking to them to see how they've been making the most of it.
High winds, my goodness, it was crazy.
When I went out in the water, it was actually warmer when I came back out.
I am happy today because no one's out here but me. No, I'm kidding.
It's not the typical season crowd, but the light rain and strong winds aren't keeping these people or the wildlife from the beach.
That's kind of the best part about it. You get your little break in season.
It turns out the direction and strength of these winds has a big effect on our Gulf. Just look at how low the tide is today compared to what it typically is on a normal day. And that news is music, or should we say beeping, to Rick Happ's ears.
That means more treasures. I'm out where I'm picking up treasures that normally you can't go out and get because the water is too deep.
Rick's hoping to finally find the perfect ring for his wife.
I have found rings, and none of them are to her standards. She wants me to find her like a $5,000, $10,000 ring.
Others on Fort Myers Beach aren't as lucky. Tourists Leah Fetting and Daniel Cameron are trying to make the most of their dreary beach vacation.
It's not great, but
it could be better, but that's okay. We're still gonna come out, still went swimming. It's better than Ohio.
As someone who used to live in Ohio, I can confirm that I would rather be here than in Ohio right now. If you don't mind, a little wind hanging out at the beach isn't going to hurt you today. However, if you are a boater or out on the water, the conditions could be a little tougher for you. So I am reporting at Fort Myers Beach. Rachel Whalen, NBC2.